Hey, Millennial Mamas. We back. We making dinner tonight because we got baseball practice, okay? We're going to make some orange chicken, so go ahead and get that rice cooker going because you need some rice with the orange chicken, you feel me? I cut up some green beans. I'm about to toss some green beans in the pot so we can get them boiling, okay? But to make the orange chicken, I just squeezed some oranges, literally squeezed oranges, okay? Probably about 4 oranges just to get the juice out of there, okay? Chopped up some garlic. I added about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Like, I didn't feel like cutting fresh ginger, so I just added that. And then like 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to make it a little thicker, okay? Mix all that up, okay? Get you some chicken breasts or some chicken thighs. Today we had chicken breasts, whoop-de-doo. Not my preference, but I got to use them anyway. So I already taken them out of the deep freezer. But anyway, mix all that up. You're going to add your chicken to your pot with some olive oil or whatever oil you choose to use. We use olive oil. Or you can use bacon fat or something like that. Bacon grease. I like to use bacon grease, something like that too. But cook the chicken. Don't cook it all the way though, okay? You need to cook it like 3/4 of the way. Then you're going to pour that sauce in there. Pour all that sauce in there. Make sure you get that. Oh yeah, I forgot. You also need like 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in there, okay? To get a little sweeter from the soy sauce, okay? Add that in there. Cook it. Get your rice. It don't take long, y'all. It really don't take long. Like I said, we was moving today. This is sped up, but I still feel like I was moving at this speed anyway. Okay, but put the rice in the containers. We got little bento boxes that we take to sports practices and games and whatnot when we know we're gonna have a late night. Okay, everybody gonna eat. Because when we get back, it's shower and bed. Don't ask no questions. Get in that shower and go to bed. I love you. I'll see you in the morning. But anyway, yeah, that was dinner tonight. It was mad easy, mad simple. I feel like I could have made it a little more colorful, but I'll do that next time. I didn't have that much time this time. But yeah, it was good. When we got to practice, we was chilling. We chilled for a little bit. My man was doing his thing, hitting the ball and whatnot. This is his first baseball season, so we love that. He looks so cute. But yeah, it was delicious. I needed to use these oranges because I got a whole bunch of oranges that I got, in bags and whatnot, and they got to be used. And we're tired of eating just oranges. Like, I can only do so much with this. So yeah, we had orange chicken with some rice and some green beans. And then for the kids, I cut up some orange slices just to give it a little more zest, a little more color. You feel me? I could have added orange zest in there, but I didn't feel like it. Okay. So we'll do better next time. But for this time, it was mad quick, mad easy, and it was delicious. It was really freaking good. No cap. Like, the sauce was good. It wasn't like fruity like you would imagine. It was not fruity at all. So I like that. And it was flavorful. Like, it wasn't giving like, authentic Chinese orange chicken. But for somebody who needed to make dinner in 20 minutes to get to baseball practice, we was lit. You feel me? Okay? We ran out of bento boxes. I need to buy some more. But on the flip side, we got a Jeep wagon. The Jeep wagon stroller. That joint is lit. It comes with this cooler. And oh my God, it keeps the food hot or cold. We load that up when we go to practice. And like I said, when we get practice or games, we eating. Bam. Look at my man's out there. Looking just as cute as a button. And then we eat. And most times he'll eat his on the way home. That way, like I said, when we get home, it's shower in bed. Okay? Love you guys.
We got to make use of all the oranges we got.